it's Jenny here from The Bear and the Fox, and today I'm going to show you how to make a concertina hedgehog. For this you will need one A5 sheet of brown craft paper, a smaller sheet of beige or light brown craft paper, a pair of scissors, a black pen and a glue stick. So first of all, you take your brown sheet of craft paper this way up and you fold one end over by about 1.5 centimeters, like so. And then you turn it over and you fold it the other way, and then you just keep going until you fold it the whole thing. And there we go. So now you want to take this and fold it in half. Press it down. So it looks like this now. And next you take your glue stick and you put glue down one side and across the middle a little bit. And then you glue that middle piece together. Press it down really hard, like so. So while that's drying, take your other piece of card and cut a semicircle out of it, like so. And then take your pen and draw a little face onto it. So there we are, that's your little hedgehog face. And then the last step is you take your little concertina and sort of open it out a little bit and then put a generous amount of glue on the back of your hedgehog's face. There we go. And then we're going to stick this onto the front of our little concertina, like so. And we're going to have to hold it in place a little bit while the glue starts to dry. And we're done. And there you have it, one little concertina hedgehog. And if you use different sizes of craft paper, you can make a whole hedgehog family. So happy crafting, and I will see you next time. Bye!